Welcome to a world where words paint pictures and sentences spark stories. Today, we dive into the magic of creative writing. Welcome to Creative Writing Workshop, Ignite Your Imagination. In this realm of creativity, there are no rules, just guidelines. Think of this as your playground, where you're free to explore, experiment, and express. So buckle up and prepare for an exhilarating journey into the world of imaginative storytelling. First things first, what is creative writing? It's a form of writing that goes beyond the bounds of normal professional, journalistic, academic, or technical forms of literature. It's where you can break the shackles of convention and let your imagination run wild. Now, you might ask, how do I ignite my imagination? Good question. The answer lies within you. It's all about opening your mind, embracing curiosity, and stepping into the shoes of your characters. It's about painting a vivid picture with words and inviting your readers into a world of your making. One of the most effective ways to fuel your imagination is by reading. Reading broadens your horizons, introduces you to new ideas, and shows you the endless possibilities of storytelling. It's like a key that unlocks the door to your creativity. Another way to fan the flames of your imagination is by observing. Observation is a writer's secret weapon. The world around you is teeming with stories waiting to be told. So keep your eyes open and your mind ready to capture those fleeting moments of inspiration. Practice makes perfect, they say, and it's true, especially for creative writing. The more you write, the better you become. So grab your pen or open your laptop and start writing. Don't worry about making it perfect, just write. Remember, every great story started with a single word. And finally, don't forget to enjoy the process. Writing is a journey, not a destination. It's about exploring new worlds, meeting new characters, and discovering new stories. It's about expressing yourself and sharing your vision with the world. So, enjoy the ride. Now, as we wrap up this creative writing workshop, here's an engaging question for you. If you could write a story about anything, absolutely anything, what would it be about? And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your fellow aspiring writers. It's always more fun to embark on a creative journey together. Until next time, keep writing and keep imagining.